Welcome to Plan Om, I'm Sarah, and today is going to be an exciting day. We're going to have a June Plan with Me session on my trusty iPad, and I couldn't be more thrilled to have you join me. At Plan Om, we specialize in creating digital planners and stickers that make organizing your life a breeze. So get ready to dive into the world of planning as we conquer June together. Let's grab our iPads, unleash our creativity, and make this month our most productive and successful one yet. Before we dive into the exciting planning process, let's take a moment to discuss the incredible significance of planning for the upcoming month. Planning isn't just about jotting down tasks and appointments, it's about setting goals and staying organized to achieve our dreams. When we plan, we create a roadmap that keeps us on track, helps us prioritize our tasks, and ensures that we make the most out of our precious time. By setting clear objectives and breaking them down into actionable steps, we can make progress towards our dreams with purpose and intention. So, let's harness the power of planning and unlock our true potential together. This digital planner is the perfect tool for keeping your life in order, whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone who loves to stay on top of things. It's not just a regular planner, it's customizable, interactive, and designed to help you stay productive and focused. With its sleek design and user-friendly interface, navigating through your schedule, jotting down notes, and tracking your progress becomes a breeze. Plus, it's compatible with your iPad, making it portable and accessible wherever you go. Say goodbye to cluttered paper planners and hello to the future of planning with Plan Om's digital planner. Let's embrace this exciting digital revolution together. Now let's dive into the heart of our planning process, the monthly overview. This section of my digital planner is where the magic happens. Here, I can set my goals, track important events, and outline any deadlines for the month ahead. It's like having a bird's eye view of everything that's coming up. By setting clear goals at the beginning of the month, I can stay focused and motivated. I also love having a central place to note down important events, birthdays, and anniversaries, so nothing slips through the cracks. And let's not forget about those looming deadlines. Having them all laid out in front of me gives me a clear sense of what needs to be accomplished and when. So, join me as we navigate through the monthly overview section of my digital planner, and let's set ourselves up for a successful and fulfilling month ahead. Next up on our planning journey is the weekly planning section. Here in my digital planner, I have a dedicated space to break down my tasks and appointments for each week, creating a clear roadmap for success. This section is where I take those big monthly goals and break them down into manageable steps. I love the feeling of accomplishment that comes from ticking off completed tasks as the week progresses. It keeps me motivated and focused. Whether it's work-related projects, personal errands, or self-care activities, having a visual representation of my week helps me stay organized and prioritize my time effectively. So, let's dive into the weekly planning section of my digital planner and discover the power of breaking down our goals into actionable steps. Together, we'll maximize our productivity and make each week a stepping stone towards our overall success. Now, it's time to dive into the heart of my daily planning routine. In this section of my digital planner, I get into the nitty-gritty details of my day. Here, I jot down tasks, schedule appointments, and prioritize my to-do list. It's like having a personal assistant right at my fingertips. I love starting my day by mapping out my schedule, allocating time for important activities, and ensuring I have a well-balanced day ahead. The daily planning section helps me stay focused and on track throughout the day. It's a powerful tool for managing my time effectively and staying productive. So, let's explore the daily planning section together and discover how it can revolutionize the way we approach each day. Get ready to conquer your to-do list and make the most out of every moment. In addition to planning my schedule, I also find it incredibly valuable to track my habits. It's an excellent way to monitor my progress and build positive routines. That's where the habit tracker in my digital planner comes into play. It allows me to easily track and visualize my habits over time. From daily exercise to reading, meditation, or even drinking enough water, I can keep an eye on my habits and see how consistent I am. It's a powerful tool for self-improvement and personal growth. By visually seeing my habits, I can identify patterns, celebrate my successes, and make adjustments as needed. So, let's check out the habit tracker in my digital planner together and unlock the potential to create lasting positive habits. Are you ready to make progress and transform your daily routines? Let's get started. Sometimes, amidst all the planning and organizing, we come across ideas, thoughts, or important information that we don't want to forget. That's where the notes section in my digital planner becomes a lifesaver. It provides me with a dedicated space to jot down these details and keep everything in one place. Whether it's brainstorming new business ideas, jotting down inspiring quotes, or capturing meeting notes, Having a centralized note-taking feature in my planner keeps me organized and ensures that no valuable information slips through the cracks. I love the convenience of having all my thoughts and important tidbits in one digital notebook. So, let's explore the note-taking feature together and unlock the power of capturing and organizing our ideas. Get ready to streamline your thoughts and unleash your creativity. Lastly, let's dive into the budgeting feature of my digital planner. We all know how important it is to keep track of our finances, and this section allows me to do just that. I can easily monitor my income, expenses, and savings goals, all in one place. With a few taps, I can input my income sources, categorize my expenses, and keep a close eye on my financial health. It's like having a personal financial assistant right in my digital planner. This feature helps me stay accountable and make informed decisions about my spending habits. Whether it's saving for a dream vacation, paying off debts, or simply managing day-to-day expenses, the budgeting section empowers me to take control of my financial well-being. So, let's take a closer look at the budgeting feature together and unlock the power of financial organization. Get ready to achieve your financial goals and create a solid foundation for a prosperous future. And that's a wrap for today's video. Planning with my digital planner from PlanGnome has been a game changer for me. It offers flexibility, convenience, and all the tools I need to tackle my goals and optimize my time. If you're interested in transforming your planning experience, make sure to check out PlanGnome for yourself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below sharing your own planning strategies. Until next time, happy planning!